Hi guys, today I am just going to do a quick unboxing. This just arrived to my mailbox, and it is a box from It's Pretty Personal. There's actually no glitter in here, I don't think. I ordered some of their newer products they're getting into, but it says, "You can make it if we stick together. It's pretty personal." The sides are blank. The back just has their logo. Dear mail carrier, thank you. Our small business appreciates you. Nice touch. This box just fit in my mailbox, standing up on its side. I was surprised. They had to order bigger boxes. It's a fairly small package. So I'm going to pull my sheet here so I can fold my address down, because I want to make sure I get things right. So they are getting into the rhinestones. Oh, I did order one glitter, I forgot. I needed a chunky yellow for the rest of those lemonade mason jars. But they're getting into the rhinestone game. That's Tart Hard Lemonade, by the way. XL. That means it's the big chunky cut. So they are getting into the rhinestone game. Airheads they always include. They have resin ones, which is what I ordered. And then they do have some glass ones. I believe they're only carrying 2 sizes in most of them, but I don't want them for tumblers, because this is as far as my rhinestone tumblers gotten that I started last July. So like someday I'll get to this thing that sits on my desk and mocks me. But so I ordered some of those. So they should be the right size to stone these pens. I'm hoping I can get several pens out of each package. I did order several of my journals, and I thought I could make pens to go with them. I may make pen clips to go with them as well, but I think I just ordered like 5 copies of each for now, to either in my next sale put together as kits or just to hang on to as giveaways. So if you want to order a copy of my journal, the links to Amazon are in the description to all of my videos. It helps support me a little bit, and I'd appreciate it. But I got the Lime Peridot, the Diana Blue, the Golden Peach, the African Violet, Blew Me Away, and I got Onyx Rainbow. They sell out quickly when they get these in stock, and like I said, hopefully they'll start introducing more sizes as they go along. But they do have glass ones, which obviously the glass are more expensive, but for pens, the resin ones work great. They're a little bit lighter too. So I got all those and my glitter. And then they are also doing vinyl now. And some of their vinyls they're printing on white. Some of them they're printing on, I think maybe on clear. Now I can't remember. Yes, this one is definitely clear, I think. But I only ordered a couple sheets of vinyl. But they're printing these in-house, like, and cutting them and doing all of that. So, oh no, that isn't clear. It's a white, but it's not a heavy white. So I obviously had to have this one. I just thought it was too cute not to. This one is the Ocean Sea Turtle Jellyfish, which that's spelled wrong. That's funny. And this one I thought was pretty. I thought this would look cute with the cheat glitter over it. It's hard to tell when you're shopping a vinyl online what it's truly going to look like until you get it in your hands, like the scale of it. I don't want to peel them all. Like this one, it's really cute, but it's not what I expected. I don't know why in my head I expected the print to be much smaller, but I absolutely love this. You know, I like working with the bees on the sunflowers, so it reminds me very much of this decal, which it's probably almost the same image. So it would almost be cute to do a full wrap in this and then print another one of these to go with it. And this one I thought was so beautiful. Oh, they are marked when they're clear. So this one is clear. So this one I'll probably put a white glitter or something underneath. This I thought was really pretty for a floral. I like the color palette, but this one is a clear one. I can't get it open. I've had a long couple of weeks at work and my hands are just not. Plus I bound an entire journal yesterday, so my hands are like, eh. So it's clear. It'll be like working with a clear Waterslide. You're going to have a base underneath it. But, and I don't remember what the cost on these was, but I'm going to want to be careful when I apply them to whatever I apply them to, because they were a little bit pricey, I'm sure. Printed vinyls are. And I do have a bubble in there. But this one, I thought was so pretty. I think this is going to make a stunning Northern Lights cup over maybe like an opal glitter or something. So this one I'm really excited about. And I'd actually pushed my order back till this one was in stock because I really wanted this. And then this cutie, because I don't currently still, I'd like to look today while we're out and about to see if I can find the printer in stock. But I don't currently have my printer functioning, so I really kind of needed some more things that I can work with without printing myself. But I also have some other Waterslide coming in from a company that obviously is going to require me a printer to test for them, and I just can't function without a printer, so that's where I'm at. But that's my little baby haul. I'm going to be making some pens. I don't know if I'll do them on camera or not. I might, but yeah, that's it. Sorry if I rambled. I don't really have it together today. I'm supposed to be making lists because we're supposed to be getting ready to go open up the camper, but this is the journal I put together that's actually dropping probably while I'm filming the video for this one. If you wanted to see it, I'll show you over here real quick. If you don't watch my other channel or you haven't been seeing my community feeds, I've started junk journaling on my vlog channel. So this is the one we've been working through so far. If you want to see, this one I did all in white because I wanted to do a simpler binding. So this one I just started with all white pages. But this one is the one for camping season. And this one I did stitch binding on. And both of these two I made from Dollar Tree books. But this one I used all different scrapbook papers in. I still had to unpack from my scrapbook retreat, so I just sat down and pulled a bunch of fun pattern papers and stuff. So this video should be live now if you want to see how I made this, or if you're interested in getting into junk journaling. I know tumbler making is very demanding, time-wise and space-wise, and I have always had a love of paper crafting. I used to junk journal before it was really a thing. So I've been getting back into that because it allows me to use some of my other fun stuff in my craft room, and it's something I can pull out, and like knowing I'm going to put a video up for a page in this book is giving me the freedom and the time to say it's okay to stop a tumbler for a little bit and do other things you're passionate about. So I will put a link to that channel below, and I'll specifically put a link to this video since it's live now. But that's what else I've been working on, and I will see you guys later.